In this video, I will show you how to change your Hulu password. To do this, just go to the Hulu website, and if you are currently signed in but you don't know what it is, then what you want to do first is sign out, since if you are signed in and you want to change it, then you will need to know what it currently is. But if you're gonna sign out and then go back to Hulu and from there click on login, you will then first need to enter the email address that you created your account with, then click continue, and from there they will again ask for your password. Now click on having trouble logging in, and then from here again enter your email, and from there you can see they will send you a password reset link. So click send me a reset link, and now open your email, and then you have an email like this. Now from there just click on the reset password button, and from there go and enter your new password and then confirm it, and then you will have created a new password. So now you know how to change your Hulu password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.